Hello everyone, welcome to Stilt video series. An L1 visa facilitates the transfer of professionals working for a company in a foreign country to the same company in the United States. These visa holders are known as intra-company transferees since unlike other work visas, they already work for the company they plan on joining in the US. L1 visas are temporary non-immigrant visas, and therefore applicants must provide proof that they have intent on immigrating to the US before receiving the visa. However, L1 visa holders may eventually apply for permanent residency in the US through a green card. Types of L1 visas. There are two types of L1 visas depending on the type of work the visa holder performs. L1A visa. L1A visas are designed for managers and executives who meet criteria specifically defined by the USCIS. Executives can make decisions of wide latitude without much oversight. Managers supervise and control the work of employees and manage the organization or a subdivision of the organization. L1B visa. Those with L1B visas perform work requiring specialized knowledge. This means that they either have advanced knowledge of the organization's process or special knowledge of the organization's products, services, equipment, research, or other interests and applications. L1 visa requirements. There are two main requirements for an L1 visa: petitioner employer requirements and employee requirements. Employer requirements. The employer within the US and its foreign branch, subsidiary, or affiliate that employs the applicant abroad must have a qualifying relationship. This shows that the two entities are in some way tied to each other through their ownership or organization. In addition, throughout the visa holder's stay in the US, the employer must be doing business in the US and at least one other country. Employee requirements. Under an L1 visa, the applicant must have been employed by the foreign employer for at least one continuous year within the previous 3 years before their admission into the US. This year of employment must have been in a managerial, executive, or specialized knowledge field, and their prospective employment in the US must be within those same fields. How does the L1 visa compare to other visas? There are many visa options for those who wish to work in the US. L1 versus H1B. An H1B visa allows US employers to employ foreign workers in specialty occupations. The L1 visa is most often compared to the H1B visa because they are both non-immigrant visas that bring foreign workers into the US to work for US employers. However, there are many key differences between the L1 and H1B visas, including employer eligibility and maximum duration of stay. Overall, an L1 visa is more fitting for multinational companies with foreign affiliates and for individuals that do not meet the strict H1B requirements. L1 versus E1 and E2. Similar to the L1 visa, E1 and E2 visas allow foreign executives, managers, or specialty knowledge workers to work within the US. However, E1 and E2 visa holders must work for companies that are engaged in large amounts of trade or investments with the United States. Although any foreign worker can hold an L1 visa, only workers from countries that have a bilateral investment treaty or treaty of commerce and navigation with the United States can hold E1 and E2 visas. We hope this video has been helpful to you. At Stilt, we provide financial services for immigrants and the underserved. Subscribe to our channel and visit stilt.com for more details.